Oh, hey there. Welcome back to another lubricated episode of Do You Want a Cookie? I'm your host, Deadpool. Our guest today is Mr. Spider-Man.
No, because my real name is Peter Parker.
Your initials are PP? Wow. I'm actually a tiny bit aroused.
Am I on the right show? Because
Who the fuck is Superman?
I actually don't identify as anything.
Say what?
So you're one of those Generation Z cancel culture superheroes.
Do you want a hot knuckle sandwich?
Did you just ask if I wanted your uncle's cock sandwich? Because I might.
You want a piece of me, Deadpool?